any doubts, please ask. So if you have any doubts, at that time only you can ask. Clear? I'm sharing my screen. So the next one is the for completion of this one. So till now we are saying the so first by default basic table class. So for contextual classes we can use the table hyphen dark success or whatever it may be. So based on requirement we can change this contextual class. So then stripped class. So if you want to display the so alternative or row colors, then we can show it like this. So then after that complete border if you want, then table hyphen border. So then next one hover rows. When you hover on the row, so then if you want to highlight that row, so then we can give the table hyphen hover. So the next one small, if you want to decrease the padding of the cells, so then we can use the table hyphen sm. So then contextual classes, that fine. So the next one responsive table, we can give the responsive table hyphen responsive for table hyphen responsive for div. So we have to create the div above table. Then we can give the class table hyphen response. Okay. So the next one is the Bootstrap 5 buttons. Bootstrap 5 provides the 9 predefined style for buttons. So each serving the different semantic purpose. Okay. So for creating the buttons, first we have to use the button btn class followed by the desired style. Okay, followed by the desired style. So first we are having the button elements. Bootstrap 5 button styles are desired to be with the button element, but they can also applied for input and anchor tag. As previous said, so we can create the button using three HTML elements. First one is the button, second one is the input, third one is the anchor tag, right? So in HTML we already discussed. Okay, now we can see the buttons. .html. So close div. So then after that body close. Then after that HTML close. Okay. So as we said, so button we are having. So by default class is button. So then by default class equal to btn. btn. So now you can see this 67.html. Okay. Why it is not applying? So there is no borders, anything, nothing is there. So it's a plain button. Okay. Now we are having, so if you want to different style border, different style buttons, so then we can see it. So first one is the, so in this also we are having, as we said, 9 type of desired classes we are having. That means contextual classes. Okay. First one is the btn hyphen. So primary. Okay. Primary button. Second one is secondary button. Secondary. So the next one is success. btn icon success. So the next one is warning, danger, info, success, and warning. Okay. So then danger. So then info. How many? 4, 5, 6 buttons. So we are having the another one info, then dark. or 7 buttons. So the next one is button and button. Another class is, where is this one? Here we are having. So light and link. Button hyphen light, light, and then button hyphen link. Okay. So these are the 8 type of things we are having. Okay. Clear? So these are the buttons. Primary, secondary, success, warning, danger, info, dark, dark. So what is this one? Light, light, and the link. Okay, okay, light and link. So these are the different type of buttons Bootstrap is providing. Okay, so these are the buttons. So the next one is the button outline. Button outline. Okay, so then same thing, we are having the button outline. So we can use the row here, div class equal to row, then close div class equal to row, then there it is. So then now outline, right? Outline hyphen primary. Okay, we'll see is this correct or not. Yes, we are getting. So but when we give the row, so we are getting the 100% width buttons. Okay, so I'm removing. Now this is the primary. Okay, so the next one is the outline secondary. So then outline success, same outline warning. So then outline danger, outline info, outline dark, outline light, outline link. Okay, see this one. Okay, primary, secondary, success, warning, danger. So we can create outside of this container, so then you are able to see the clearly. Okay, I'm closing the container here. Now you are able to see these buttons, how these things are had. Okay, clear? So these are the things. These are the different type of buttons. Button element, then button outline. So the next one is the button size. We are having the different type of button sizes. So 3 different type of button sizes we are having. 3 different type of button sizes we are having. So first one is the button. Okay, so then button LG button. LG means large. Okay, class equal to btn, then btn hyphen success or primary. Okay, so then clear div hyphen class equal to clear fix, so then close div. Okay, for this I am giving the mb hyphen for, for creating the space. Okay, so the next one is, so this is normal button. So we are having the btn hyphen lg. So same way we are having the button medium. So no need to give this one. So by default our buttons are displaying medium only. Button, another one is the sm. Sm means small buttons. See now. So this is the lg. So this is the normal button. normal button. So this is the small button, small button. Okay. So this way we can create the buttons. Large button, normal button, small button. Okay. So these are the three different type of three different sizes we are having in the buttons. Okay. So the next one, disabled buttons. Disabled button. So we have to give the disabled class. We have to give the disabled class. So for this one only, for normal button I am giving disabled. Okay, disabled class. See, so for this one, when I hover on this button, so something is highlighting, but this one I am unable to click, or I am unable to hover. Okay, so the class called disabled, the class called disabled. Okay, so Bootstrap provides the specific style for the disabled state. Okay, if you need to disable your button, so uses an anchor element or button element or input element. So just we have to use the disabled class. Okay, clear. So the next one is so these are the button classes we are having. Okay, next one is the images. Bootstrap provides the classes that can be used to work with the image element. Most of these are utility classes that can be applied to any element, not just images. Okay, so not just images. However, so there is a class specifically for responsive images. There is a class for responsive images. Responsive images, Bootstrap provides the img-fluid class to make an image scale appropriately across the devices. This class applies the max width 100% and height is auto to image. So if we can apply the image width, then no need to mention the image height, because of it is automatically appropriately adjusting the height of that image. Okay, without losing the image quality. So if we can mention the width and height, then we can either stretch the image or shrink the image. Okay, so we have to use either height or width. So any one of them we can use it, then so we can get our proper images, appropriate images. Okay, so now next one is the images. Creating another div class equal to container. So then close div. So inside img src. So do we have any images? Img src. So then no images here also. Just to give me a second, I'm downloading the images. Images slash bg.jpg. So then, so we have a class called, we have to use class called for responsive image img-fluid. Okay, so then another attribute called alt, then banner images. Okay, so then now you can see it. Okay, so this is my image. This is my image. So if we can decrease the, if we can load, see, automatically image is adjustable with the different screen sizes. Okay, so this is, so if you can use the width equal to 100%, so then now you can see it. Okay, so this is our container image height and width. So if you can decrease the, if you can open the different resolution, so then it is automatically adjust into the different screen sizes. Okay, it is automatically adjusting the height and width. Okay, automatically adjust the height. Okay, so this way it is applied. Okay, so the next one is the surrounded corners and thumbnails. Okay, so if you want to apply these rounded corners for big images, we are unable to see these rounded corners. So then I can download these images. Images are downloaded. Only one image we are having. Don't have. So we can download the small images. We don't have. So we can mention with this only. So again, I am creating the another image. So then 100 pixels. Okay. So then here for this one, so I am applying the 200 pixels or 150 pixels. 150 pixels. Okay. So this is my another image. Okay. So for this one, I am applying the rounded corners. So first class is the rounded. First class is the rounded. So then image fluid, then rounded. Now you can see. So we are getting this small, small curvy is coming or not. Respect element. So then this is our image. Why rounded is not coming? Smaller. Then rounded is 10. Okay. For small images, we are able to see the corner. Okay. So for small images, we are able to see that one. Okay. Now, so you can able to see the, so I'm removing the container background. Now you can able to see. Okay. So now you can see. So small rounded corners are key. So the next class is the rounded top and rounded end. Rounded top and rounded end. So another image, rounded top. Okay. See, only top is applied. Rounded top, both the top. Okay. So the next one is the rounded bottom. bottom. Now you can able to see. So this one is the normal. Then here if you can able to observe, this is the rounded bottom is applied. Next one is rounded start and rounded end. Okay, rounded start and rounded end. Rounded end. See now. Okay, now we are getting these two sides. So then rounded end means so these two sides, right side. So this is the left side, this is the right side. Okay, so this way we are having the rounded. Then after that, rounded circle, rounded pill. So we can able to complete circle if our image is having the so both height and width are same, then we will get the complete circle. Okay, rounded circle. Okay, so why? Because our image height and width are not equal, so that's why we are getting like that. Then, so I am applying the height also. Height equal to 150 pixels. Now see, we will get the complete circle. What happened? 100 by 100. We will see 100 by 100. So why it is not applying the 100 by 100? Because of here we are using the responsive. So that's why. So that's why our image is not getting the, so both height and width are not equal. So now you can see. Okay. After removing the image fluid, so then we will get the complete circle. So then pill also same thing, rounded pill, rounded pill. We are having a class called rounded pill. Okay, so this is also a circle shape. Okay, so these are the image border radius. These things are the border radius, rounded corners. Okay, so first one is the rounded. So for all the borders, so all the corners, if you want to get the rounded, then so we have to use the rounded. So only top corners, so we have to use the rounded hyphen top. Only bottom, rounded hyphen bottom. Okay, so then left side rounded hyphen start, right side rounded hyphen end. Okay, so rounded circle and rounded pen. Okay, clear? So this is the today's class. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So next tomorrow we can discuss about the so image alignments. Okay, so then forms are very important. So if you can complete the form related thing, so mostly half of the bootstrap things are complete. Okay, so any doubts? So if you have doubts, so ask me, or otherwise we can close. Okay, okay then fine. Thank you.